How to fix Horror Spranky Beats app not working. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So right over here I have the Horror Spranky Beats application right over here, and this is the different version. However, the solution to fix is the same. What you need to do is check out your phone settings first and foremost and head over to the apps icon. Right over here, click on all apps, then you need to search for the application. Then tap on it. Then tap on the force stop button and head to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you do this, you can head back from here and browse for the option of system update or phone update. Click on the option and make sure that your system is up to date. After you do so, you can head back from here. Then, next thing what you can do is you can open up your Play Store and search for the application. Right over here, this is the application that I use. What you can do is look for an update. If there is no update, then the last resort would be to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. You can also try by restarting your device. The solution will help you to fix your application not working. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.